It's summertime once again, and there's nothing as refreshing as beating the scorching heat on a hot summer's day, lounging on your patio and hydrating yourself with an ice-cold cantaloupe shake while satisfying your fast food cravings in a healthier way. Perfect gluten-free summer recipe, which is best enjoyed outdoors, is our healthy chicken burger patties wrapped in fresh lettuce. This flavorful chicken burgers is a delicious, healthy alternative to regular traditional burgers, especially if you want to cut back on red meat. Quick and simple, grill or just pan fried. Enjoy your tasty chicken burger minus the bun and get the carbohydrates you need from the sweet potato fries served on the side. The following are the ingredients we'll be using today. You can also find a list of ingredients in the description below. 2 cups chicken breast, 1 cup instant oatmeal, half a large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup carrots, 1/4 cup spring onions, 2 tablespoons parsley flakes, which is optional, and 2 tablespoons olive oil. Manually mince your chicken breasts, or you can also get your ready minced chicken breasts at your grocery store. Blend your instant oatmeal, forming a flour. You can also check out the link of my banana oatmeal pancake video on how to make the oatmeal flour. Grate your carrot finely. Finely chop your onion. This is needed so your patties won't fall apart. Mince your garlic. Chop your spring onions. Beat your 2 eggs and set it aside. Once the ingredients are all prepared, prepare a larger bowl and combine all your ingredients. First, the minced chicken, the onions, the garlic, the carrots, parsley, the black pepper, your salt, the beaten eggs, your oatmeal flour, olive oil, and finally the spring onions. Mix them all together with a spatula. Then wash your hands thoroughly and make sure they are really clean. Then continue mixing the ingredients using your bare hands. Once all the ingredients are evenly combined, slightly wet your hands a bit so that the mixture won't stick to your hands while you roll and form the patties. Get a palm-sized amount of mixture with your hand and roll them in a ball. Then press them, forming a medium-sized patty. By doing the same procedure for the rest, I was able to make exactly 10 medium-sized patties. And once done with the patties, I let my patties sit for an hour to marinate. You can make these patties beforehand and just refrigerate till you need them. While the patties are marinating, you can prepare the ingredients for your side dish. So clean the sweet potatoes and slice them into long thin strips or fry-shaped pieces. Cut an onion and tomatoes into circles and prepare a few lettuce leaves. These will be used to finish off the chicken burger. When the patties are done marinating, you can heat up the stove and pour in a sufficient amount of coconut oil in your pan and set it to medium heat. Place in the first batch of chicken patties and cover the pan with a lid. This is done so the patties can be cooked within. When the chicken patties turn golden brown, you can flip and cook the other side. It takes around 3 minutes to cook on each side. Once done, place the chicken patties on a towel to absorb the excess oil. Then you can do the same procedure to the second batch of chicken patties. While the chicken patties are cooling down, we can start frying our sweet potato fries. Place a small amount of coconut oil and fry the whole batch of sweet potatoes. Turning each from time to time till they get golden brown and crispy. Then you can fish them out and place them on a strainer to drain the excess oil. Finally, we can place the whole healthy, delicious meal together. Place the patties in a basket and assemble your healthy chicken burger with a sliced tomato and onion topped with mayonnaise of your choice and then wrapped in fresh lettuce. It's tender and juicy in the inside with added crunch from your leafy greens. Who wouldn't enjoy such a tasty burger when served with sweet potato fries and ice-cold cantaloupe shake? Now, you can just simply sit back and relax. Enjoy the rest of your summer outdoors with your ice-cold beverage while munching on your healthy chicken burger. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell button to get notified when I upload new videos. Before we end, please don't forget to share this healthy recipe and check out my other easy and healthy recipes on my playlist. So that's it for today. Till the next one, happy eating!